Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 3 marks and it's from the lesson Linear Equations in 2 Variables. Now the question is, a new intra-city transportation startup has employed both taxis and auto rickshaws. The night fare for a taxi is rupees 9 for the first half kilometer and rupees 15 per kilometer thereafter, while the night fare for an auto rickshaw is rupees 20 for the first 1 kilometer and rupees 13 per kilometer thereafter. Express the night fare structure for taxis and auto rickshaws in the form of linear equations. Use F as a fare in rupees and D as the distance travelled in kilometers. At what distance is the night fare of a taxi and an auto rickshaw equal? Show your steps. Okay, so let's look at the question. Now here they have mentioned that the taxi fare, the night taxi fare is rupees 9 for the first half kilometer and rupees 15 per kilometer thereafter. Okay, so let fare be equal to F and distance travelled be equal to D. Okay, now we know that the fare can be calculated as fare for the taxi. I'm talking about the taxi right now. It's equal to 9 for the first half kilometer. So half kilometer has been taken care of. Now the rest of the D minus 0.5 kilometers has a fare of 15 rupees. So D into D minus 0.5. This would give me 9 plus 15D minus 7.5. And F is now equal to 15D plus 1.5. That's my first linear equation. Now for the auto rickshaw, on the other hand, for the auto rickshaw, they've said that the night fare for an auto rickshaw for the first kilometer is rupees 20 for the first kilometer and rupees 13 thereafter for every other kilometer. Okay, so let's calculate the fare now. The fare is going to be equal to 20 rupees for the first kilometer plus 13 times. Now the first kilometer has already been taken care of. So the rest of the distance will be D minus 1. So the value of F now becomes 20 plus 13D minus 13, or F is equal to 13D plus 7. So that's my second linear equation. So we have expressed both the situations as linear equations. Now let's look at the second part. At what distance is the night fare of a taxi and an auto rickshaw equal? So now they're saying that the fares in both the first equation and the second equation have to be equal at some time. So that is 1 equal to 2. Let's equate 15D plus 1.5 as equal to 13D plus 7. I've equated both the right hand sides together. So that gives me 15D minus 13D is equal to 7 minus 1.5, or 2D is equal to 5.5, or the value of D now becomes 5.5 by 2, which is equal to 2.75 kilometers. So the distance at which both the fares are equal is equal to 2.75 kilometers. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.